Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 416 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake with 368 feet of spectacular waterfront.
This is a totally updated Canandaigua Lake gem with a main house and a beach house in a private nature setting. So let's take a tour.
This is open lakefront living with a stunning great room featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Open to a spacious dining area with deck access and a living area with a gorgeous brick fireplace, all with black walnut floors and breathtaking lake views.
This home also features 3 bedrooms and 2 updated bathrooms, including this first floor master suite with cedar wood cathedral ceilings, black walnut wood floors, and this expansive sliding glass door with breathtaking views, leading to your own private deck.
The expansive open porch and wraparound deck have panoramic views of Canandaigua Lake.
This expansive waterfront features a 2-story beach house and multiple docks. This property also features a potential 100-foot waterfront building lot. This very private eastside location offers the afternoon sun and amazing sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 416 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!